Hello, my name is Jennifer No, and I would like to take you on a tour of my portfolio. As you can see here, this is the home page, and you can see a little bit about myself. If you want to contact me, scroll down and enter your email address, or we can speak directly using the chat function here. Or you could also contact me using these contacts here. If you want to learn more about myself, click About, and here you'll see more. On this tab, these are my projects done in a class. First is the Animoto, second are the word clouds, third is Blabberize, fourth is Symbaloo, fifth is BBC Ultra Screencast Tour, and the rest you can clearly see as I scroll down. Alright, thank you for taking the time to look at this. Thank you very much.